Hello and welcome back to another lazy lesson. And today we shall try and understand about the ancient amber root and its significance and why is India interested in reviving this route, and we'll also look at the Baltic nations. And in this background we shall also have the overview of INSTC, that is International North-South Transport Corridor, and finally we'll understand why Latvia has become significant for India. The topic is relevant both for your prelims and mains. For prelims, you need to know the meaning of the amber route, its location, and as well as the location of INSTC. And for mains, which is covered in the General Studies paper 2, that is International Relations, you need to understand the significance and the potential of this route. In August this year, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu paid a visit to these three Baltic nations. And now, what are Baltic states? It is basically a geographical term used to group three sovereign countries in the northern Europe on the eastern coast of Baltic Sea. And the countries include Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. And from prelims point of view, the location of these three countries becomes very important. And looking at the location, we have Gulf of Finland on the northern side of Estonia. And this gulf is connected to the St. Petersburg port of Russia. And the sea route passing from Baltic Sea through Gulf of Finland to St. Petersburg becomes an important export route for Russia. And on the western side of Estonia and Latvia, we have Gulf of Riga. And please note here that these three countries together do not form any political union, but rather engage in parliamentary cooperation. And the most important areas of cooperation between these three countries are foreign and security policy, defense, energy and transportation. And all the countries are members of NATO, OECD, European Union and the Eurozone. Besides, these three countries are classified as high income countries by the World Bank. And one important thing to note here is that Russia has an exclave called Kaliningrad, sandwiched between Lithuania and Poland. And this region was annexed from Germany in 1945. And note here that the three Baltic states, that is Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania, were once a part of the Russian Empire and they subsequently became independent states in 1991. And now the bilateral relations with these three countries is not something new for India. India and Baltic countries have been historically linked by the ancient route known as the Amber Way. Now what is the Amber Way? It is an ancient trade route to transport amber from coastal areas of the North Sea and the Baltic Sea to the Mediterranean Sea. And amber is a fossilized tree resin which has been appreciated for its color and natural beauty since Neolithic times. And the amber can be made into a variety of decorative objects including the gemstones. In ancient times, it was widely used in jewelry and is also popular as a healing agent in folk medicine. And various fossils in amber show us an amazing picture of the biological history of the earth. And this amber was widely available on the eastern coast of the Baltic Sea on these three countries. And the amber was very much popular in Rome and the surrounding civilizations. And the trade route which was used to transport this amber came to be popularly known as the Amber Way or the Amber Route. Now why do you think India would be interested in reviving this trade route? See, we have St. Petersburg port in Russia here and the Baltic Sea here. During winter what happens? The whole of the port and the Baltic Sea is frozen. And the sea route from northern Europe to Russia is cut off during the winters. And hence, these three Baltic nations become important as they throw open the new trade routes to Russia. And this has been the traditional route for India to reach St. Petersburg port. It passes through Mediterranean Sea, North Sea and Baltic Sea. And with the revived Amber Way, India could cut short its journey to the St. Petersburg port. And this would enhance India's export to Russia. And note here that India's export to Russia has always been very low, mainly because of the transportation hurdles. And this is where the INSTC comes into picture. The International North-South Transport Corridor project is a 7,000 km long multimodal project. The multimode network of transport includes ship, rail and road route. And before going further, let us try and understand why Latvia has become important for India. See, like we discussed earlier, India uses this traditional route to send its exports to Russia. This is 16,000 kilometers long and takes nearly 35 days. And this makes Indian exports costlier and less competitive in European markets. But with Latvia, we can connect to the Baltic region and Russia easily. And here one good news is that the Latvia has declared its Riga port as ice free. And the INSTC is being implemented by India, Iran, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia and Europe. And looking at the significance of INSTC, that is International North-South Transport Corridor Project, we understand that this project would help Asian and European countries transport their cargo through the corridor at the double speed compared to the Suez Canal. And it is thought to be the most suitable route for transit traffic between Asia and Europe, as only a few countries exist along the route. And this means fewer border crossings and easier for the countries to reach the agreements. And from prelims point of view, you can remember the names of important cities across the route. And these include St. Petersburg, Moscow, Astrakhan, Baku, Bandar Abbas and Mumbai. And note that the founding members of INSTC were India, Russia and Iran, who signed agreement in 2000. The project has particular economic and strategic relevance to India given the increasing regional ambitions of China through its One Belt One Road initiative. This corridor could help India secure its interests in Central Asia and beyond. And by bypassing Pakistan, India could gain access to lucrative markets in Central Asia. And ultimately, Indian exports could potentially get a competitive advantage due to lower cost and less delivery time. And this could also result in increased export of perishables from India. And finally helps India mark its presence in the Central Asian region. Now let us try to solve a question from prelims point of view based on the discussion. Consider the following statements. 1. All Baltic nations are part of the European Union. 2. The ancient amber route connected China to Rome. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Comment your answers in the comment section below. And based on the discussion, try and answer the following question. That is, what is amber route? Why is it significant for India today? Discuss. You can post your answers in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Thank you.